Alright guys, we're home, so let's get started on this thing. I think we're going to start by replacing this disaster. Let's get that done. Figure out how to get this airbag off, pull the steering wheel, trim. Should be pretty straightforward. It's like two plastic clips to hold that in. Alright, take that nut off. I guess figure out how to get a puller on that, unless that just pops right off. There, 23 millimeter. It's definitely gonna need some sort of puller. There. What it did probably wasn't the best thing to do, but it worked. It was I put these big